So guys, we just passed by the Mount Fatu. So we are now going down the way going back to Mount Kupapui. Then of course it's this is pure going downhill. I think at least 500 meters downhill, 500 meters or more. Then it's all uphill up until the top of the mountain where we went down to Mount Kupapui. I did not record or give an update when I'm on Mount Fatu, although I went live on Mount Fatu. I went live on my Facebook page and on my TikTok. Then I took a picture. Then today I'm now on my way going back home. Wow, this is amazing. But I don't know if this is for food. Seems like familiar to me, but when I went down and came here, then it's not. So I think the what do you call that, tour guides here in Maligkong have set this up, and those woods there for the tourists to, when they come here, and they will rest here. This must be the resting place, but I don't see where they set fire, because they should be setting fire here because it's the resting place. And because this way, this is going down to Sitio Favoyan, in which, if you here in Maligkong, only homestay is only found in Sitio Favoyan. I think there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think 5 or more homestays here in Sitio Favoyan. So they will come up there, then go here, going to Mount Fatu, then they will come here, and this is the way going to Mount Kupapui. So vice versa, if they go first to Mount Kupapui, then they will come here, then they will come here, then they will go straight to Mount Fatu. Then after going to Fatu, if they decided to return to their homestay, then they will come down here again. Then that's the way going down to Sitio Favoyan. Vice versa. I lost my interest, or I feel bored today. But a while ago I'm motivated, but today my yeah, my stomach hurts and my mind says I don't know, seems like I lost interest on jogging. So actually in this area is where no, we will not go there again. It's not worth it. I think that's not worth it. Oh, I mean, I think it's worth it. Is that the way there? Because is this the way? Because there's a time that I went down here and I think this is not it. I think this is not the part. I think it's down there, which we can see. I don't know if the view there is beautiful. I forgot, but one thing that I know is it is very high, and actually I have a fear of heights, but through trail running I'm trying to overcome them. Except also if you need to just you need ropes, something like that, to for safety, then that I'm very afraid. I don't know that part, but I remember there's some area here that I break through and I don't remember the view there. It was very high. I don't know if in this area, I don't know. I think in this area. Yeah, I think in this area. I try to go here and see if there's a great spot for me to take a picture for the rice fields of Barangay Dinaang. Ow! Oh, I see. I think this is where I went. The pastures. Which down there is very high. Ouch. Hurts. It really hurts. That's not joke. I'm not joking about it. So I think I'll take a picture here.